Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to generate the link on the cells on Google Sheets documents by iOS or iPhone. So here I already have the documents open and I will like to generate the link for their reference. So the thing that you have to do now is just decide where you want to add the link or where you want to generate the link. Let's say I will like to add the link for each cells, the name of students here. So you just need to go click this part, and after that go click this plus buttons that pop up on your screen, and there will be a link in the top rows, and then just need to go click it. And you can just add the text as the title of the link that you want to generate. Let's say reference, and now the second one, just input the link. And whenever you're done, just go click done, and the application will be bring or generate the link for you. So that is the way, guys, how to generate a link on Google Sheets document by iOS or iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.